Are you wondering how to reset your Google Home Mini? In this video, I will show you how. Cue the intro. What's happening, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Jim and welcome to the channel. In here, we review smart home products and family tech, as well as discuss tips and tricks that can help make your lives a little bit easier. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. Click on that notification bell as well. Also, I will have the show notes in the description box below, as well as the timestamp and the affiliate links. All right, so because you're resetting it to factory reset, you may need help in, or if you need help in setting it up, I have the video link up here. All right, so for actually resetting the Google Home Mini, you have to look at the bottom of it, okay? So where there's a Google logo, way down underneath, it is a circle. If you press that, that's actually the reset button. So let's give it a try.
You're about to completely reset Google Home.
Nope.
To cancel, release the button.
So just make sure that all 4 LEDs are orange, I guess. Then now you can release it. Done. That's pretty much how you factory reset Google Home Mini. Now, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. And as always, I will see you in my next one.